How to enable and use select to speak on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to enable and use select to speak on Android. So now let's get started. To enable and use select to speak on Android, first of all open settings and then here search for accessibility. Tap on it. Then tap on installed apps. And again tap on select to speak and then toggle it on. If you allow select to speak, it will have full control of your phone. To use it, all you need to do is tap the select to speak icon and highlight the text you want to be read aloud. And optional, you can adjust settings such as speech rate and voice within the same menu. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.